got that heat, white 9 in my jeans.
What's up, YouTube?
What up, it's I.
Q Corleone with that K. We the value pack.
Yeah, hey. Today we gonna be reviewing Lil Bo.
We gonna be
Lil Yachty, that little, what that shit called, bro? Hold on, I gotta look it up. What's it?
Lil Bo 2.
Oh yeah, that shit gonna be straight. What's your expectation for Lil Yachty right now, bro?
Man, Lil Yachty on fire. He's always been on fire to me, you know, even though the old fucking head.
That nigga been kinda cold to me, bro.
He ain't been cold to me.
Last year, he put out that Teenage Emotions, that shit.
It was straight.
That shit was
It was straight.
lackluster.
It was straight. It just people was expecting him to fuck up, and they ain't gonna listen to him anyway.
Think about it like this. Think about it like
that nigga. He killed the whole fucking track.
Look how
they just hated it.
Look how Lil Uzi performed, XX performed. Everybody in his weight class outdid his ass. Playboy Cardi had a great album. Fucking XX.
But before you talking about Lil Uzi came.
No, I'm talking about last year. We talking about last year, nigga.
He was popping until Lil Uzi did his thing.
Bro,
Lil Uzi had Playboy Cardi.
Alright.
X-I.
Let's just get into the album. Let's just get into the album.
But yeah.
He a Lil Yachty dick sucker. Let's go, bro.
Nah, you a fucking
Let's go.
dick
Let's
sucker.
go. Self-made.
It's like a YouTube beat.
Hey.
Beat
sound good. The beat sound good.
Cornell.
Charlie Shuffler.
This is a YouTube beat.
Made it out my mama crib, then bought my mom's a crib. Bought myself a chain, keep it short cause I keep rocking these chains while they keep calling me names.
That's a fact. Ain't no me ain't gonna make a better you.
Took my bitch from DR to Peru, and I took my gang from the rest of my wrist. Might see fish, dog is real water. Niggas better have their daughter. Real rap the vest Carter. Made it out.
Alright, that was the intro, Self-Made. I probably give it like a 6 out of 10.
Give it myself.
Yeah, it's straight. It's a cool ass track. I'm gonna fuck with it.
Sound like YouTube beat.
It do. It's hard. YouTube beat. Finna get into the next track, Boom, featuring Ugly God, man. Ugly God need to be more consistent too, man.
Mississippi.
I want to hear some more of his shit. Alright, let's go.
Mississippi.
We are from Mississippi. Okay.
I finally realized why you niggas hating. Niggas ain't getting no money, man.
That's
And that little car go fast. And that little car goes on. That little bitch got a fat ass. Take that little bitch to the room. My niggas walking with sticks. My niggas walking with brooms. Try to take one of my chains. All you gon' hear is a boom. Boom, boom. I'm the bitch.
Hey, you using that Cardi flow. That shit hard, bro.
Yeah, Cardi flow.
That shit hard.
Like, in a fire roof, I throw off in the coops, nigga better not turn my chain, blow the bitch up like a nuke, I just did shit for my mama.
Hey, nigga, Ugly God, kill him.
I just been counting my common talk down, I'ma stomp that boy out of my boots, hop in the whip and go roll, nigga thought that I go roll. I'ma just call him my goal. Get your ass on for the low. My shoes go right to the mold. Then I'ma fuck on your hoe. That bitch back to the road. Hey, I'ma shoot shots, she start down my name. I don't miss shots, but my chopper got ass. Walking with boom. Try to take one of my chains. All you gon' hear is a boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Hey, that's that boom.
Hey, that's
bro.
10. I don't give a fuck.
That shit is a 10 out of 10, bro. That shit a hit, bro. That shit
Ugly God killed that shit. Mississippi, you already know what it is. But that shit was hard as fuck.
Yeah, Ugly God, he a pretty good rapper, bro.
Yeah, that nigga always, he ain't coming out with no shit. Fuck it.
Yeah,
But there was good flow, man. And stop coming down to all every celebrity pictures.
That nigga Ugly God is a troll.
That nigga's
He's
a troll.
hard, though.
Put something the fuck out, Ugly God. Bro! Bruh, put something the fuck out.
Yeah, start being more consistent.
Yeah, bruh. How you gonna make double XL and not put shit out? Man, please get to the next track before I get mad around.
Yeah, the next track we got is Oops, featuring 2 Chainz and K Supreme.
Who the fuck Chainz?
K
Supreme? I think K Supreme, this white dude got bad acting on his face. Is always wearing Supreme, man.
Oh, hey,
Damn,
I gotta go. Damn, I gotta float. Hey, damn, I make it snow. Yeah, pull it up cold. Ooh, your bitches are really on the pole. Hey,
Nothing, all y'all diamonds like the rapper of a butterfinger. Hit him down, my brother follow up, that's the double stinker. Told the bitch true, she run around like a just.
Y'all ain't killing it.
Hey. That's the really cool split check half with the gang, that's what brothers do. Check a bitch, check, make check, please. 2 cribs, 6 cars on 22.
Oops. Fuck a nigga, bitch, I'm like, oops. Pass it to the gang, nigga, that's alley oop. Ride around town in an all white coupe.
Gang a bad bitch, blow a nigga like you. You was buying polos, I was buying coupes.
Okay, two.
Line from the block, shine in the dark, grind on the car, time on the car, can't get it back. Where you niggas at? Social media disease, can't take it now. Tired of the fraternize, I'm as real as they advertise. I let the pussy was sanitized. She left her throat, try to sabotage. You know I got her, man. I got my pockets on country cane. Get this shit on like a Florida game. If you spit something on me, I wouldn't get a stain. Oops. Pass it to the gang, nigga, that's alley oop. Ride around town in an all white coupe.
Gang a bad bitch, blow a nigga like you. You was buying polos, I was buying coupes. Fat, nuts, deep, bass, big, 1, 6 cars, young, yacht, 2 rich, clean.
Hey,
bitch, you suck. You suck,
Hey, bro.
Bitch, you suck.
That shit was hard up until K Supreme got
Who
on
the fuck
there.
is K Supreme? K Supreme?
I ain't
Click
never
the link
heard
in my bio. You wanna hear that
It shit was
nigga rap?
kinda, he tried to come off lit, but it was.
Shut your ass down. It sound like he fucking
I don't know, bro, but 3
Suck.
tracks in and we already better than Teenage Emotions, bro. This shit is, it's already.
Teenage Emotions straight. Go to the next song. AK Supreme almost fucked the whole song.
Yo, he fucked your vibe. The next track is Talk to Me Now, featuring Quavo. Let's go. Every beat been hard.
Hey, I bang with the main man. Had the same gang since the playpen. Name Christian Lake, no Jason. I see more M's than the Mason logo. Got a white bitch, but I call her Coco. Since so dark, I didn't from the photo. 20 years old, I'm 12 M's in. I'm fucking this hoe from the West End. Added them numbers to pack in. Check so big, make it back spin.
That nigga said, I got a white bitch, I call her Coco. That shit was hard, bro. You know, Coco plus brown, but you know.
Coco, Ice T bitch,
Ice-T bitch, Coco.
Yeah, but you gonna say Coco.
But that's what I'm saying. That's what he said. I got a white bitch, but I call her Coco. But he talking about like, you know,
He was talking about
two
Coco
things that
rights?
contradict each other. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Paradox, bro.
Alright.
That shit was a bar.
Go ahead.
Y'all got bars.
Look at your butt chin. Sleep with the chop on the nightstand. 6 in the cook at the Santan. Stay with the stick.
15,000
Sauce.
just for some shoes.
Oh shit!
Put it on the sprinter. Put it on the limbo.
Hey.
This is not a rental.
Quavo!
I own this hoe.
Yeah, Racho.
Look at these prices. Look at this ice in the way I rock these jewels. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. I pull up and I come through. Talk to me nice.
Talk.
Talk to me nice. I pull up and I
Talk.
come through.
Talk.
Talk to me nice.
Talk.
Talk to me nice.
Talk.
I pull up and I come.
Talk.
Niggas get shot. Shoot at the Alpha Cloud.
Hey.
Pull up to the spot. Kitchen flooded out.
Out.
Niggas love that. Stir fry cooking pots.
Nigga, Quavo black. Hey.
Hey. Nice.
Hey, that shit was straight.
That was
That shit was straight. I
talking
get it 8. I get an 8.
Yeah.
I get an 8.
Yeah.
He killed, you know, Quavo gonna come through, sauce up the sauce god, but the guy still killed Boom. But
Yeah. I get
so
it.
far, but it was straight. You
It
know
was
what I'm
straight.
saying?
It was straight. I'm probably ain't gonna listen to that one as much as I listened to the first 3, but that shit was straight.
We gonna bump Oops until you get the K Supreme shit here, but
and Boom too.
and Boom,
Yeah.
of course,
That
you
shit
know.
was hard. But Talk to Me Nice was hard too.
Talk to me nice, hard.
Alright, we got the next one. Get Money Bros. You know, ain't like us. We broke money bros. But fuck it though.
Broke
Let's
as
go.
fuck, shitty ass apartment.
Alright. Featuring T Grizzly. Shout out to T Grizzly too.
Chasing for clout.
Slow it down.
Burn his ass up like a skillet. All the shit talking, I don't want gonna kill it. Throw them legs up and I promise I drill it. Whip wasn't high enough, I told him lift it. Check wasn't high enough, I told him lift it. Bought bro a roller cause my brother gifted
Hey,
it.
bro, hold on, bro. Niggas be saying Yachty can't rap, bro, but the nigga can clearly
It's
rap,
fucking
bro.
old heads like bitch ass Lord Jamar and fucking Cassidy that can't sell no fucking.
Bro, I think he
Watch
can
this.
rap, bro.
Watch this reaction. Fuck Lord Jamar and fuck Cassidy. I don't give a fuck. He can rap. He the savior, motherfucker.
Right.
He killing. I don't care.
Pretty
Mama
boy, I
rap or
still got a
anything.
slip from the 80s. She dropped with them niggas crazy.
I'm from Detroit between Evergreen and Southfield Road.
Okay,
Money on the
came
six,
in
my fuck
smooth.
nigga, but you know I'm Souljoy Road. Shit, I sing in my hood made me the type to sneak in the awards with my pole.
Hey.
3 million, I got that in cash. 400K, got that in gold. Crib came with a Sonic, crib came with the Sonic. Bean came on the Mac, Bean came with the 200 miles an hour.
Young niggas getting money, yeah. Everybody runs getting money, yeah. Niggas in the back, they gunning, yeah. VVS stunning, so stunning, yeah. Bitch, nigga, mad, well, so.
That was Get Money Bros. That shit was straight. It's real slow.
It was cool.
T.
I think it was better than D to the A, but it was straight though.
Talking about
That
Talk
Lil
to Me
Yachty, took that Lil Yachty T Grizzly song.
Oh yeah, yeah.
that was straight too. But
Yeah.
I think T Grizzly ate it better
Yeah.
than that D to the A shit.
Yeah. He did. They did that thing on there.
Sure.
I ain't gonna be listening to that shit again, but it's a nice song though. Count Me In.
Banging out that motherfucking back door.
Hey, shout out to Pierre, bro. Hey.
Double C's on my feet, gang banging bigs. Make a bitch touch her knees, she was Vietnamese. Crew of bitches popping perks, eating triple C's. Off top, give me top, cause you just a slave. She won't head, she won't head. I said nigga please. My riches, you get stitches, you think talk is cheap. I've been flexing for a while now. Stripper bitches trying to try me for a
It's a
trial.
hit, bro. It's a hit.
And this click got 12, you don't have to like me, just don't talk, just don't fuck with me.
Don't talk, please don't fuck
I
with
just get it out the civic. It's just more pussy, boy, please be specific. Am I new young bitch, pussy on Pacific? Had to get a new account, numbers look terrific.
Hey.
And yeah, you can count me in. Yeah, fucking on some hoes, you can count me in. Okay, hitting at the stars, you can count me in.
Count Me In, nigga.
That was
Count
straight.
Me
I
In.
get it by 9.
I get it by the 9. That Pierre beat hard,
Yeah,
bro.
Pierre.
Shout out to Pierre.
He finessed it. He finessed
Pierre,
it.
that nigga hard, bro.
Yeah.
I like that. We got She Ready featuring PNB Rock next up. I don't know, man. PNB Rock, he alright, man. That nigga, he a good artist. He just ain't got it. Like, he ain't.
Yeah,
It's something about him that really be throwing me off. But I listen
Yeah,
to music sometimes. He
straight.
pretty good though.
alright.
I don't know. Let's see what they got. She Ready. And we got one of them bubblegum trap. Now like. Okay, got it.
Life got, make sure that you ride for me. Make your wildest dreams everyday reality. Everyday seconds for dinner, having good sex in the spirit. Jealous nigga was a runner, what girl I'm a buyer.
That shit was smooth until he started changing up his flow.
I think it was
started
cool.
rapping.
I think
It was alright.
I ain't gonna jam. I ain't gonna jam every day, but it's cool.
Yeah,
was
it's
cool.
straight. It's straight.
Yeah, go to the next track.
I ain't fucking with that shit.
It was
Ready.
straight.
It's like a 5. It's a regular average track to me. But next up we got Love Me Forever. Let's see how it sounds. Nigga, y'all talking about love and shit. Teenage Emotion. Okay, beat sound hard. Not the piano.
I don't like the beat.
I like that. Hey.
Love me today,
Hey.
love me today,
Hey.
love me forever. What type of time you want? Make you fall in love by the time you go.
Okay.
I ain't tryna play with you, baby, I'm too grown.
Okay.
You do too much squat, the diamonds in your watch. Baby girl, you look good.
Like if I was younger, like I can play this like this some like skatering like type shit. Like
It is
when
cool.
you young, like you get in your car
It's
with
like a
your teenager.
17. It's a 17-year-old.
Yeah, like-
chilling with your shit.
I like.
I'm get a snowball.
I'm 22. Bro.
That's some type of shit. It's
Yeah, that's some
straight.
snowball dick shit.
And why they my
For real, for real, like-
go baby.
Yeah,
That's the kind of shit.
That's how I feel like to me. But like I'm older, so like it's a good song. I know this is a good song. But
I give it 6.
I don't know. I give it higher than that.
But
It's a
it's
good
straight.
song. I mean,
So far the album was cold. Just that Case of Flame shit threw me the fuck off.
that nigga still on that case.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna forget you.
I don't know. It
Fucking
was
up that
alright.
Oops track.
It
Oops,
was
that's
alright.
fucked up.
No, but Love Me Forever is a good song,
It's
bro. I
straight.
mean, it just I'm older, so I ain't really gonna connect to it like, you know what I'm saying?
I
Like,
connect
a
to
young
it
motherfucker.
because I'm a young. I got young mind tendencies sometimes.
Yeah, I like it though. I can listen to it though.
What's that
for real.
next song?
That's Cap. That's Cap, number 9.
Big Kill. That old ass word.
You ever looked at a nigga like who was just popping shit and you just
Oh, where's the shit going
you
on?
knew that nigga was broke? broke ass nigga. That's cap. Talking online, you get popped. My young nigga keep a scrap. Joe with the scrap.
It's a takeoff flow.
For posting up in the trap. I finna call me an island, yeah. Put myself on the map. Rich and it ain't cause of rap. Yeah, bitch, I ain't renting. I hop in the Bentley, it ain't got no ceiling. You mad what you feeling?
That nigga Yachty said he rich and ain't cause of rap. That nigga got hella endorsements, bruh.
That's true.
Sprite.
That nigga ain't even gotta rap no more.
Nautica. Niggas can believe
You know what I'm saying?
when he had 16.
That's why old heads really stop. Y'all need to stop fucking hating on the man because he can be on everybody's billboard. Everybody likes him. The kids love him. He ain't rapping about selling drugs. So what do y'all not like about Lil Yachty? Is it because he speaks his opinion on old school music?
That shit hard to me, bro.
It's
I like
hard.
That's cap.
I ain't renting, I hop in the Bentley, it ain't got no ceilings, you mess with your feelings. All of my niggas be wildin', stay with the cannon, the game wildin' out. Nigga don't talk about styling, stay with the drip, put it.
That's cap, man.
Straight.
It was straight. It was straight. I ain't gonna be listening to that shit again, but it's straight
It's
though.
good.
It's alright.
Stop
It ain't
saying
too
cap
cap.
though. That old ass word.
That's
She
cap.
was
Capping.
a-
Yeah, we used to live in Ohio shit.
So that was
Cap-
old.
they used to
Stop
use
saying
cap
they
a long time
Cap this, cap that. The cap on my dick. Fuck out of here.
What the hell? Alright, pop out the next track featuring J Band's 2 Turn. That's a hell of a name. Let's go. Never heard of him.
Feature me.
Okay. Ugh.
Yeah, bitch.
Shit kinda dark right here. I like it.
Digital now.
It's
Like it's like be. Yeah, it's like finna get lit though.
I'm in the hood, it's winter. Basketball season of Beamer. Pull up a stick, pull up a clip. I'm on the hip.
I'm like, you know,
I turn a 2 to a 6. Swerving these strolls, get you. Yeah, you look at me, yeah, and I know it. All of this money, I blow it. All of this.
Alright, man, that pop out shit with J Band 2 Turn.
Whack.
That shit was whack, bro.
Whack.
We finna just go
Whack.
to the next song.
Whack.
NBA Young Boat featuring NBA Youngboy. Let's go. Shout out to NBA Youngboy. Free NBA Youngboy too.
Free.
Okay. Sound like a Pierre beat this shit, lady.
Wow. I don't know.
Hey.
Young nigga, rich nigga, I'm a bad bitch. Get a fuck nigga, hoe nigga. I don't fuck with broke niggas. Always hit my own since I jumped up off the post. You ain't know, now you know, nigga. I take 4-4 nigga.
Bitch, run me my sack before I come through. $80,000 plus a check on the back end. 20 twins finna get plucked like a chicken brother locked up. 38, baby, my next
Forgot the bow in the
didn't
flood.
lady. I was finna fuck your bitch, my nigga, then I got lazy. I saw your new watch, that
I'ma
shit cool,
fuck your
but my
bitch,
shit
then I got lazy.
Canary yellow diamonds in my mouth like I bit a daisy. I'm a little baby, yeah. Keep it 380, yeah. I'm with Big Slime, yeah, you know we going crazy, yeah.
17 with 4 babies, yeah. Lot of money, know they hate me, yeah. Want for the try to pay me, yeah.
Nigga
17
said
with 4
4 babies, bruh.
Hey, nigga was getting it in. You know he made that shit before he went to jail though. Oh, I mean after he when he first got out. Nah, a few months when he got out.
4
Nigga,
kids and
yeah.
you 17, bruh.
Free man, young boy. He
Yeah, no
can't
choice but to make it, bruh.
Go to the next song.
Alright. The next song is Mickey featuring Offset and Lil Baby.
Offset.
Lil Baby, man. Y'all got
Offset.
Lil Baby, bro. He got a wave too. He a QC artist. He
Offset.
Nice. He nice.
Offset. Offset.
Trapping at the back street, running through the patch like a track meet.
Okay.
Pull up with 2 pistols on me match P.
Hey.
Back to the truck, we on repeat.
Hey.
Dripping on these bitches, put a stain on it. Lamborghini bitches, do no brain on it. Iced out paddock with the rain on it. Automatic with the scope range on it.
Spent 160, that's a 2 watch. Goddamn think I need a new house. Bought a chain, could've bought a Bugatti. Niggas dig around with those crystals. Running to the money like a.
Bro, y'all gotta stop letting these niggas kill him on his songs, bro. What the fuck, bro? I love Offset on this shit, but I did not like him on this shit.
First
Like,
one's and all that.
yeah, bro, his verse, Offset just ate that shit, then he came on here just underwhelming as fuck. Like, damn, bro, like, you make me not want to hear the rest of it, but I'm finna get back to the rest of it, though.
This one cost more. Check it out, check it out, check out. Round town with the sticks out. Special weeks, so I bought the Ricks out. These niggas rats, no Mickey Mouse.
$1 million lick, but I missed out.
Fell asleep on the drink, I was pissed off. Had a ring on your hand, who you rich off. Hellcat race car, no pitch stop. Had $1 million cash in my bitch house. Playing 20,000 out the city. Ask them other niggas how we got.
Bro, Lil Baby, bro, he got like a little like.
I ain't
like a little, yeah, that song ain't all that. But he got, Lil Baby, he remind me of, he got a little bit of early Thug in him, like how like Young Thug used to be when he first came out.
Big. I ain't really like the song.
Yeah. I
mean, I like Offset part.
Offset, he was
I didn't being biased, it's just he the only one was eating. Like, everybody else sound like they talking. I don't know. I know you boasting about what you got, but put some style on it, man.
Yeah, it could have been better. Next song is FWM. Fuck with me. Alright, let's go. I think it mean fuck with me, I don't know.
Run real deep, pussy nigga, I'm too good. AK, no call me for a bitch real wood. Those young niggas turn rich and they still hood. Hop out the whip, get a couch with my new bitch. 186 and with a boost kit. Playing with the guard that'll get your end split. Used to be broke, eating just sandwich with the crust cut off, pump with the salt off. Niggas around me go commando, yeah. Bowling 2 hoes in the Lambo, yeah. Paint on the face like Rambo, yeah. Tell me a place that I can't go, yeah.
This nigga got 17 songs on here, bro.
Lil Bo 1, I jammed every song on there though, but
yeah, I mean,
it's cool. When he get on the features, they be eating them, but he still be killing. I don't know. He trying to prove to people he can rap. Like Academics told me.
He can rap.
Don't. It's not like how he was doing all the one nights, the Minnesotas, the Broccolis. Do them type. You know what I'm saying? Choose them type of beats. Not saying you can't rap, but we know you already proved you can rap. You proved you can rap on Cozy Tapes. That was it.
You can rap.
After that, man.
My thing is, I'm just saying, like, that nigga got 17 songs on here, bro. I'm like fatigued listening to this shit because real like, it's too many. Like for me, it's just too many okay songs. It ain't like great. So
yeah, that's just
I don't know. I don't know. I'm finna try to hurry up and get done with this shit. Next song, Flex.
Yeah. And you hate when I do this shit. Skate with extended clips. House got too many whips. Let that hoe get some from pills. I might ice my AK out. I might ice my steering wheel. Get that bitch to digging in like a pop. Yeah, you look just.
Go to the next song.
3, bro. Bro. We fuck with you, bro. We fuck with you hard, bro. But like,
this type I always take it up for you.
This type of shit, bro.
The album is 50% good right now.
We're gonna go down and give our favorites at the end of the video. Alright, next song, 15 Whole Lotta Guap. I know we ain't listened to that shit that long, but bro, that shit is unbearable, bro. Whole Lotta Guap.
Whole lot of honeys, ooh. Too many bands I can't dump me.
Okay,
Whole lot of honeys, ooh. Too many bands I can't dump me. Whole lot of honeys.
I like this though.
Too many bands I can't dump me. Ooh. Watch how I thumb it. Yeah. Chop it, came with a drum kit. Oh. I hit the jump for the kicks. I fucked the bitch in the back. Yeah. I got a 6 and a 2. Yeah. I got a 12 and an 8. Oh. How that take?
It's straight. I give it a 7.
Alright, we got a Lil Pump feature on here, Baby Daddy.
Lil Pump! That's my God. It's skitty!
And feature Lil Pump and Offset. Let's go.
Okay. It better not let me down.
Tell your baby daddy I'm richer. Bitch, I don't wanna sip liquor.
Hey.
Stop trying to pressure my niggas.
Yo.
Just like the club, that shit was weak. Grab me a hoe off the street.
Hey.
Wait till I leave. I'm finna fuck. Beat it till I fall asleep. Your baby daddy is sucker, babe. Your baby daddy is buster, babe.
2 choppers with me, I don't use no pistols. Big fat back with it look like a missile. My just come when I go blow the whistle. Girl get me top and there ain't no kisser.
Lil Pump already doing Baby Daddy.
Too much I saw me the doctor come see me. Niggas hate on me, they wish they could see me. All my cars
look like chalk. I got your bitch, I just bought. How much you think in my vault? Chopper with the puppy got salt. Penny cost 100 all law. Diamond BB just wall. My pocket double stuff overload.
Lil Pump had the best verse.
That's true.
As Baby Daddy. Oh shit, we done got to the last song. 666. I mean, 66 featuring Trippie Redd. Shout out to Trippie Redd.
He from Ohio. Trippie Redd, he's straight.
He's straight.
He alright.
Alright, man, that was 66. The last song.
The last song on the album. Hey, overall,
nigga just got straight into it.
Overall, I got to. Overall, that shit.
What you think about the album as a whole?
It was straight. It was good. It's good. I'm a play it back anyway.
Yeah.
It's just I'm saying
1 out of 10. What you think?
I give it. Man, he pushes 7.5.
7.5.
I think he pushes something.
Alright.
I fuck with
Lil
that.
Yachty. For Lil Yachty, I think it was pretty good for me.
Ain't nothing because I
To
like
my
Lil
standards,
Yachty.
you know,
I take
I
Lil
mean,
Yachty on anything.
I only expected to like 4 songs, so that's pretty much what I love. I only probably love 4 songs.
I'm gonna go back and jam the album, but
Out of 17, 4 for me. Out of 4 Lil Yachty. That's straight, you know what I'm saying? Because I ain't finna listen to 10 songs from him anyway.
he's not a big fan of him.
So
I am though.
So I got Boom, featuring Ugly Guy, Oops.
I like
It's
Self
hard.
I like the first 4 or 5 songs. That Case of
NBA
Brains, I just
Youngboy was
don't like it.
hard. What's that other song with that great ass beat? Oh, Love Me Forever was cool too. That was a cool song. And that Youngboy, I like the NBA Youngboy shit too. That shit was hard.
You said that.
Mighty, I said that already.
Yeah.
Pretty
Hey
good,
man,
So I like
the album was
that.
straight all together, you know. Lil Bo 2 is fire. But follow me on Instagram, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Q Corleone, Twitter Q Corleone
It'll
with
be
a
in the
K
description.
in the description below. But follow me, get our subscribers up. Shout out to the 10 people that subscribe to us. Thank you. We on the come out.
Yeah.
The Value Pack. I'm out.
Got that heat.